So it's given here that we have two sets A and B, and each of the two sets have 3 elements in common. It's given here that there are a total of 5 elements in the first set A and 4 elements in the set B. Then we need to find out the value of the total number of elements in the set of the Cartesian product of A and B, as well as the total number of elements and the Cartesian product of A and B intersection with the Cartesian product of B and A. Okay, let us begin. So here, let's write down whatever we are being provided with. So here we are given the number of elements in the set A, so that's equals to 5. And then we have the number of elements in the set B, that's equals to 4. Now clearly we can easily find out the number of elements in the set, the Cartesian product of A and B. So that's a very simple task. All we have to do is take the product between the number of elements in set A and the number of elements in the set B. So that's going to be 5 times 4, which will give us 20. So there are 20 elements in the Cartesian product of the set A and B. Now, our next task is to find out the number of elements in the Cartesian product of A and B intersection with the Cartesian product of B and A. Okay, now before finding out the total number of elements, let's try to understand the set. So here we have the Cartesian product of A and B intersection with the Cartesian product of B and A. Now using the properties of set, we can show that this is equivalent to A intersection B Cartesian product with B intersection A. Now since it is already given that A and B have 3 elements in common, so that means A number of elements in A intersection B, so that's going to be equals to 3, and this is also going to be equals to the total number of elements in B intersection A. Now we need to find out the total number of elements in the Cartesian product of A and B intersection with the Cartesian product of B and A. In other words, all we have to do is find out the Cartesian product of this particular set, or we can say the Cartesian product of A intersection B multiplied to the Cartesian product of B intersection A. Since we have already mentioned that the A and B has got 3 elements in common, so we have 3 times 3, which is going to give us 9. So there are going to be a total of 9 elements present in this set. So the Cartesian product of A and B intersection with B intersection A.